So, if you're a content creator, or honestly just someone trying to make your YouTube videos or reel looks half decent, you already know that lighting is literally everything. You can have 1,000 ringgits of cameras, but if your lighting is bad, your video's gonna turn bad. Enter these little guys. This is Zhiyun Fiveray M40 SE pocket lights. Now, pocket lights are nothing new, but finding one that actually packs enough punch to replace a massive studio light in a pinch, that's a different story. First up, let's talk design. Zhiyun went with an ultra compact form factor that easily slides right into your pocket. But what I love most is how stripped back and intentional its feel. You have got tactile control wheels on this side for adjusting brightness and color temperature, ranging from a warm 2700 kelvins all the way up to 8500 kelvins. No complicated digital menus, no annoying app controls, just pure instant control. But the real party tricks here is its sheer power. This thing put out 40 watts of output. For context, the key light that I'm using right now is a 60 watt studio light that only works when it's connected to a power source. Yet, the M40 SE can deliver surprisingly close light output while running entirely on its built-in battery. The included diffuser also does a great job of softening the lights, making it suitable for use as a key light during shoots. Of course, when you're pushing this much of power, heat is inevitable. Thankfully, it features a small built-in cooling fan to keep temperature under control. The fan only kicks in when it's hot and is surprisingly quiet too. The M40 SE is equipped with a 2600 mAh battery, delivering up to 3 hours of runtime or around 44 minutes of full 100% brightness. It also supports USB PD pass-through charging. You are not only getting fast charging, you can also connect it to a power bank for uninterrupted use. The M40 SE is incredibly versatile. It's basically a run and gun creator's dream. It includes an adjustable mounting bracket that works with both tripods and cold shoe mounts. Whether you need a quick few lights for an interview, a portable headlight, or something to mount directly onto your cameras for vlog-style shootings, it handles the job effortlessly. If you need a reliable, insanely bright, and truly portable lighting solution that doesn't complicate your workflow, the Zhiyun Fiveray M40 SE is an absolute no-brainer. It's simple, effective, and get the job done. The only drawback is it's built entirely with plastic that feels inferior. What do you think about the Zhiyun Fiveray M40 SE? Share your thoughts in the comment box below. With that said, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you at the next one.